What is going on, everyone? Today we're going to be talking about the secret network, a little bit about it, and then also a price prediction towards the end. So make sure to stay tuned for that. And also we're going to be talking about both the bullish and also there's a possibility of talking about the bearish case for the secret network, which we're also going to get into towards the end. It's just a little bit of controversy that we have to talk about when talking about the secret network. And also real quick, before we get started, I just want to mention that I created a website, safestakingguide.com. It's in the links in the description below. It's basically a place where you can find where to stake or lend the asset that you're interested in. So for example, USDC, or for example, DAI, Tether, Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc., etc. And also there is an interest and APY staking calculator. So you can calculate how much you could be earning over a period of time. It's taken me about a month to create and I'm really excited to announce it. So make sure to check it out in the description below. So the secret network is a smart contract platform that features fully private smart contracts. It's built on the Cosmos SDK and supports the IBC cross-chain bridge. A downside of SCRT is that it uses a trusted execution environments, or TEE, which are parts of CPU that are most likely going to be cracked someday, but it's still good for short-term privacy. SCRT also has a few non-IBC decentralized bridges for Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Monero. Now, the existence of the Monero token decreases the usage of the SRT token, even though it's still known as to be a good token to use. So the secret network launched in September of 2020, and in its peak of January of 2022, its market cap was at 34,000 Bitcoin, or at around a $1.45 billion market cap, and now its market cap is at around 152 million. Secret network is the first blockchain with data privacy by default, allowing you to build and use applications that are both permissionless and privacy preserving. This unique functionality protects users, secures applications, and unlocks hundreds of never before possible use cases for Web3. Secret Network is an open source permissionless blockchain based on original privacy research and papers first written at MIT in 2015, including Decentralizing Privacy, now one of the most influential papers in the blockchain space with 2,000 academic citations. By combining blockchain technology with groundbreaking privacy technologies, Secret Network unlocks hundreds of new and powerful use cases for Web3 and opens them to all. And also, this is just my personal opinion, but I think the Cosmos ecosystem is absolutely beautiful and also quite undervalued, which, by the way, I made a video on CoinMarketCap all about Cosmos and some of the projects working on Cosmos as well. So everyone claims that they do not want to use banks or big tech anymore because all they do is loan out your fiat or just sell your data to other companies for their own purposes. For the future of Web3, we need this. We need data privacy. So no more selling of anyone's data for companies to profit. Okay, so right now Secret is actually trading at and around 93 cents, and it's actually ranked at the 150th position. And the total supply right now is 190 million, and the circulating supply right now is at 163 million. And it looks like there is actually no max supply. So that's also one thing to note when you're taking a look at SCRT. So currently, if we just take a look at some previous price data, we can see here that the all-time high was around $9. Actually, back in early January 2022, we can also see that it was around that back in November as well, when everything else was rallying. And right now it's actually fallen quite a lot then, as pretty much every single project has. But I think right now it's important to really just focus on the fundamentals of every single one of these projects to see if those fundamentals can carry it through to the future. So now let's take a look at a price comparison. Let's see if the secret network had the same market cap to actually reach its previous all-time high. Which coin and project would that put it at right now? What that price point would be if it was at the same market cap as of Monero right now. Let's take a look. So if Secret had the same market cap as of Bitcoin right now, then that would put one SCRT at and around $2,297, or an upside of 2,461x. quite a lot. So considering it's at the 150th position, let's just take a look a bit further and see if it went to that $9 range. That would actually put it at and around VeChain to around ICP or an internet computer. So that would be in the range of 1.7 billion to 1.6 billion. And again, that would be a potential upside of around 939%. Now let's take a look and see if it actually had the same market cap as of right now as of Monero. That would be at a $2.2 billion market cap, and it would put the potential price to around $12.76, or a potential upside of 13x, so quite a lot. And then if it happened to be at the same market cap as of Cosmos, then that would put it at 2.5 billion, and it would put it at the potential price of $14.46, or an upside of 15x. Now, if we wanted to take a look a bit further, compared to, for example, Polygon, that would put it at 4.5 billion, and also put the potential price to around $25, or an upside of 27x. And also, if we compared it to the current market cap as of Binance USD, that would put it at 17.9 billion, and it would put the potential price to around $102, or an upside of 108x. Let me know what you guys have to think about the secret network in the comment section down below, and also where you think the price could be in the future. I think it's an interesting project, but we also have to talk about one thing first, which is this comment that I saw here on Reddit. These scumbags really effed up over the earnest privacy community that supported them, silently went behind the community's back and handed off nodes to their buddies to pre-print SCRT before announcing their new venture. Really scummy stuff. It's a shame because privacy is one of the most genuine use cases for blockchain. It attracts well-meaning people, and private smart contracts are a great concept, but these guys ain't it. Look into it if you don't believe me. There's reasons they made the SCRT subreddit approval only posting. These guys are not great, and not only should you avoid giving them your money, but they should be ostracized from the crypto community. Let me know what you guys have to think about this as well in the comment section down below. I'm eager to hear what you guys have to say. Anyways, guys, I'll see you in the next one.